You know, it would be really cool if you could just wave a magic wand and within seconds you had more traffic than Google and more cash than a Saudi prince. But I know I don't have to tell you that nothing comes quite that easy. And traffic isn't free, because no matter how you get your traffic, you're going to be investing some kind of resources. The free traffic we've been talking about doesn't cost any money, but it does require an investment of your time. Alternatively, there are paid advertising strategies which require more money than time. And the truth is, you should add both free and paid advertising to your overall traffic strategy. So let's take a look at some of the top paid advertising strategies, including pay-per-click marketing and media buys. Let's go ahead and start with pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click marketing is where you pay a set amount when someone clicks on your ad, and this is opposed to paying a flat fee or paying a fee per 1,000 impressions or ad views. Two good places that offer pay-per-click advertising are Google AdWords and Facebook. Now, the advantage of pay-per-click marketing is that you can get the traffic coming into your site immediately, which allows you to quickly test sales copy, test your product names, your ad campaigns, your pricing, and any other part of your offer. So here's how it works. Let's use AdWords as an example. What you do first is choose keywords to bid on. When someone searches for those keywords in Google, your ad appears. Your ad consists of a short headline, 2 short lines of text, and the link to your landing page. Now, the exact placement of your ad depends on how much you bid on that keyword. The higher your bid and the better your ad performs, the more visibility you'll get. When someone clicks on your ad, you'll pay an amount up to the bid amount. So if you bid 25 cents on the keyword, you'll pay up to 25 cents every time someone clicks on your ad. When someone clicks, they'll get sent to your landing page. So that's an overview for you. Basically, there's 3 parts: the keywords you choose, the ad, and your landing page. Let me share a few tips about these 3 components individually. First are the keywords. You're going to get better results if you choose narrow, targeted keywords. For example, let's say you're selling a book about growing tomatoes. If you bid on broad keywords like tomatoes, you're going to waste a lot of money. And that's because it's not a targeted keyword. You have no idea at all if the person wants to buy actual tomatoes, or if they're trying to win a bet about whether a tomato is a fruit, or if they want to buy tomato seeds, or if they're just trying to figure out how to spell the goofy word, okay? It's better to bid on a keyword like how to grow tomatoes, as that lets you know the searcher is part of your target market. Even better, bid on keywords that indicate the searcher wants to buy something, such as buy tomato growing guide. The second component is your actual ad. This needs to be short and snappy. Your headline should get attention, and your body copy should persuade the person to click on your ad. You do this by presenting benefits and arousing curiosity whenever you can. Let me give you an example of what I mean. Here's a potential sample ad. Tomato growing secrets. Stop eating toxic tomatoes. Grow organic with this guide. All right. When someone clicks on your ad, they'll end up on your landing page. Maybe this is a sales page for a guide, or perhaps it's an opt-in page offering the guide for free. Either way, you can build this page quickly and easily using an app called Landing Page Monkey. Just check the resources on this website to learn more about Landing Page Monkey and how you can use it to create stunning, high-converting lead pages and sales pages. Now, let's take a look at the second paid advertising strategy, which is referred to as media buys. This means you purchase banners and text ads on high-traffic sites, and these can be general sites like Reddit, which allow you to show your ad to a targeted audience, or you might place a banner ad on a site that's in your niche. To get started on Reddit, just go to reddit.com/advertising. You'll be paying a flat fee per CPM, which means per 1,000 impressions. And this fee can be as little as 75 cents per 1,000 impressions. It's not bad. Or secondly, you might check out an ad broker like buysellads.com, which is where you can find sites that are in your niche. Finally, you should also inquire directly from sites in your niche to see if they offer advertising opportunities. Generally, you'll see a link for advertisers which lists some submission guidelines and maybe the prices. However, if you don't see any information about ads on a site, don't hesitate to contact the owner and see if they'd consider selling you ad space. Why not? Now, in all cases, no matter how you're advertising, you want to be sure to start small and test your campaigns. Once you know which ads and which advertising venues give you the best return on your investment, then you can focus on funneling even more ad dollars into those specific channels. Okay, so pay-per-click marketing and media buys are 2 good ways to start driving targeted traffic to your site fast. I mean, you could set up some campaigns right now and have traffic coming in just a couple of hours. In fact, that sounds like a great way to spend the next hour or two. So why don't you give it a try right now before you head off to the next video?